Hello my dear friends, welcome you all. Today we shall discuss a scientific topic, that is mathematical derivation of Newton's second law of motion, that is F is equal to m into A. Dear friends, we know that an unbalanced force causes uniform oscillator motion. So friends, here look at the diagram. Here an object at point A moves to point B with uniform oscillator motion. So the given data are, at point A the velocity is called initial velocity. It is denoted by symbol small u, and the mass at point A is denoted by small m, and the velocity at point B is called final velocity. It is denoted by the symbol small b, and the mass remains constant. So the mass is denoted by symbol small m, and the time taken, that is denoted by small t. Time taken denoted by small t, and the applied unbalanced force, it is denoted by the symbol applied unbalanced force. It is denoted by the symbol capital F. And the acceleration, it is denoted by the symbol small a. So friends, we know that the Newton's second law of motion establishes the relationship among the force, mass and acceleration. The Newton's second law of motion states that the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the applied unbalanced force in the same direction. So here there are two momentum, initial momentum and final momentum. So let's at point A the momentum is P1, it is m into u, and at point B the momentum is P2, it is m into b. So friends, here we got two momenta, that is initial momentum and final momentum, and the change in momentum is final momentum minus initial momentum, that is mv minus mu. Friends, we knew that the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the applied force. So here the rate of change in momentum is otherwise called per unit time. The rate of change of momentum per unit time, mv minus mu, is for unit time, that is by t. It is directly proportional to the applied force. So F is equal to F varies mv minus mu by t. So here F is equal to k dot m into v minus u by t. Friends, from the first equation of motion, we know that the acceleration is equal to v minus u by t. So in place of the expression we can write a. So it implies F equal to, here k is the constant of proportionality, so m into a in place of the expression. So the SI unit of mass and acceleration, the SI unit of force is, implies F is equal to SI unit of mass, that is kg, into SI unit of acceleration, that is meter per second square. So the SI unit of force, that is kg into meter per second square, otherwise it is called 1 Newton. It is called Newton, and it is denoted by capital N, and here 1 kg mass into 1 meter per second square, that is 1 unit force equal to 1 kg mass into 1 meter per second square. It is otherwise called F is equal to 1 Newton. So friends, it is the derivation of Newton's second law of motion. Thank you.